Are you wasting time searching through emails or file folders to find your condominium's information? Having quick access to contracts, maintenance history, engineering reports, quotes, and governing documents is essential for condominium directors and managers. When information is hard to find, this leads to wasted time in discussions and emails, poor decisions, and increased costs. Managemate's Smart Documents feature is here to help. Managemate is an online workplace for condominium boards and managers, featuring an easy-to-use smart document organization feature. In Managemate, we don't store files in folders. Instead, files are linked to the work it relates to, like activities, vendors, and projects. You can easily see all your documents organized in one place. Find information you need to make decisions in a variety of ways. You can do a keyword search, filter by date, or filter by tags. Click a tag to see your condominium's records in a timeline. This gives you the full picture on any topic. Saving records in Managemate is a breeze. You can click on the Add New Document button to upload new files or photos, or simply forward an email to Managemate to create a new document automatically by forwarding any email with attachments to your condominium's dedicated email address set up by Managemate. Easily identify documents created with this feature by spotting the email icon or the Created from Email tag when viewing a document. Unlike files and folders, Managemate lets you capture the context relating to a file. You can add a description, add tags, and share notes with other users. Link documents to projects, activities, or vendors. This helps your board and management team efficiently find your documents and records, giving you the full picture. Share a document and send a message to your team without having to send an email or leave your Managemate account. Even if Condo board members and managers change over time, your records stay intact in Managemate. Give your records and knowledge a permanent home, meaning no more lost information and piecing history together like a detective. Interested in our Smart Document Organization feature and want to learn more? Book a demo by going to managemate.ca or email us at sales@managemate.ca. Thank you for watching.